These are you filming?
Yeah.
These are the very good top coat, base coat
Nice.
for gel nails.
It's from Amazon.
Because I got some in my big kit with my lamp, but they were the little tiny bottles.
Makarrt. RTT. Makartt. Nail Artiste Collection.
Yeah. And I like how it comes with this little puzzle box.
I like that too. It's very efficient.
Yeah.
Cool. And that's like a clear top coat?
Base coat for underneath the color, and a top coat for on top.
Okay.
You need both.
Cool.
For everything.
How much did that cost?
Oh, this was like $10, I think.
Okay.
Wasn't that expensive?
You're a nail artist.
I am. You know, all these few years of going every once in a while to get my nails done, I learned a lot. And you can't help but notice how they do it.
Your nail.
You can't help but notice how they do it.
You got nothing else to look at
when you're doing it. So I'm like thinking, why am I spending hundreds of dollars on somebody else to do my nails?
Because you were learning.
When I can just do it myself.
That's right.
These are decals. These are little nail sculpture things, pieces.
Neat. You have little jewels you can put on there too.
Jewels and little things. I only have one of these, but I don't care.
Very
I don't
cute.
really want the big things on there anymore.
You're cute.
Hey, you're cute.